Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show how to add a font in Canva using your mobile device. Make sure to follow along carefully as I explain the process in detail. First, open the Canva app on your mobile device. If you're new to Canva, you may need to sign in or create an account before starting. Once you're in, decide if you want to create a new design or continue editing an existing one. To start a new project, swipe and tap on the More option to explore different templates, such as photo collages, presentations, or custom designs. Select the template or project that suits your needs and open it. Once your design is open, tap on the Text option to add or edit text in your design. If there is existing placeholder text, you can remove it by tapping on it and selecting Delete. After clearing the text box, you can type your own text in the field provided. Now, to change or add a font, tap on the Font option, which is usually located on the toolbar at the bottom of the screen. A menu will appear showing a wide variety of font styles available in Canva. Scroll through the list to explore the fonts. If you find a font you like, tap on it to apply it to your text. The selected font will update instantly in your design. You can also adjust the font size to fit your layout by selecting the font size option and entering a custom value or sliding the size adjustment bar. After applying the font, you can resize or reposition your text within the design. To do this, simply drag the text box to your desired location and adjust it until you are satisfied with the overall appearance. That's how you can easily add and customize a font in Canva Mobile. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.